Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best interior aesthetics is probably one of the most impactful ways to elevate your driving experience, transforming your car from a mere mode of transportation into a personalized sanctuary that reflects your style and enhances comfort on every journey. Imagine stepping into a vehicle where every detail, from the ambient lighting to the premium materials, contributes to a sense of luxury and well-being, making even the daily commute feel like a special occasion. This isn't just about looks, it's about creating an environment that reduces stress, improves focus, and genuinely makes you look forward to spending time behind the wheel, turning heads and sparking conversations wherever you go. Number 5. TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. Introducing the ultimate solution for detailing your car. This cleaning gel is designed to reach every tight spot, effortlessly lifting dust, debris, crumbs, and even pet hair from those hard-to-reach areas. Using it is incredibly simple. Just press the gel into cracks and crevices, and watch as it pulls out the dirt. It's also perfect for cleaning keyboards and other electronic devices, leaving them spotless. This cleaning gel is not just effective, but also reusable. Continue using it until its color darkens, then simply store it in a cool place for your next cleaning session. Crafted from advanced materials, this cleaning putty is sticky to dust but not to your hands. Enjoy a pleasant cherry blossom scent while it effectively removes all dust and debris without leaving any residue. Beyond your car, this versatile cleaner is perfect for your home and office. Use it to clean keyboards, printers, phones, remote controls, and furniture, making it a truly multi-purpose cleaning tool. Whether it's your car's interior or your workspace, this cleaning gel ensures a thorough clean. Its unique formula makes it ideal for various surfaces, providing a dust-free environment wherever you use it. What we like. If you're tired of dust and crumbs accumulating in every nook and cranny of your car, this is the solution. It's incredibly effective at grabbing debris from small gaps and crevices. If you want a simple, reusable way to keep those hard-to-reach areas clean, this is the product for you. What people say. The product is well-made and feels durable. The design is sleek and modern, adding a nice touch to the car's interior. Installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. Number 4. LISEN Magnetic Phone Holder for Car. Experience a secure grip with our upgraded hook clip. Its innovative design creates 3 gripping points that firmly attach to your air outlet blades, ensuring it stays put even on bumpy rides. Installation is a breeze thanks to its unique hook clip design. Simply attach it to your car's air outlet and adjust the knob to fit the socket. You'll be set up in seconds. Rest assured with its convincing quality, officially certified by SGS RoHS and SGS CP65. It's rigorously tested for magnetic force, signal integrity, and safety, and fits most smartphones and mini tablets. This mount is widely compatible with many devices, including popular Galaxy and iPad models. Just remember to use the included metal plate for optimal performance. Enjoy effortless one-handed operation. Its magnetic attachment means you just place your phone near the holder, and it securely snaps into place, making it incredibly easy to use while driving. For best results, avoid placing the metal plate between your phone and case. This holder is designed for square air vents and may not be compatible with round vents or certain car models. What we like. For drivers who need quick and easy access to their phone navigation or music controls, this mount is a game changer. Its strong magnetic hold and simple attachment to air vents mean your phone stays put, even on bumpy roads. If you prioritize a secure, hassle-free phone mounting experience that allows for one-handed operation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is well-made and looks great in my car. Easy to install and fits perfectly. Adds a nice touch of style to the interior. Number 3. Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Introducing the ultimate solution for your car's interior. This versatile formula cleans and protects all your surfaces, leaving a streak-free finish. Safely clean dashboards, door panels, seats, and even screens. It gently lifts dirt and dust without causing any fading or damage. This cleaner removes grime and restores a natural look. It also leaves a protective layer to resist dust and everyday wear. Simply spray and wipe for a spotless interior. No rinsing or extra buffing is needed, perfect for quick touch-ups. Enjoy a factory fresh look with a natural sheen, never greasy or slippery. It keeps your interior looking new and inviting. Beyond your vehicle, use it to clean and protect surfaces in your home, office, or dorm. Get a streak-free finish anywhere. What we like. If you're looking for a single product to tackle all your interior cleaning needs, this is it. It effectively cleans and protects various surfaces like leather, vinyl, and plastic, leaving a natural, non-greasy finish. If you value convenience and a consistently clean, factory-fresh look for your car's interior, this cleaner is ideal. What people say. The product is well made and looks great in my car. Easy to install and fits perfectly. Adds a nice touch of style to the interior. Number 2. TICARVE Super Cleaner Effective Interior Cleaner Kit. Are you frustrated with cleaning products that don't deliver the results you expect? Our advanced formula uses cutting-edge nanotechnology to tackle dirt and grime at a molecular level, saving you time and effort. Stop cluttering your space with numerous specialized cleaners. This single, powerful product is designed to handle a wide array of cleaning tasks, making your routine simpler and more efficient. It works wonders on upholstery, fabric, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and even tough spots like grease and tree sap. This is the most versatile cleaner you'll find. We are committed to quality, using the latest scientific advancements and the best equipment. Each formula is proudly made and bottled in the USA. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our team is here to help with any concerns, ensuring we make things right for you. What we like. When you need a powerful cleaner that can handle a wide variety of messes on almost any interior surface, look no further. Its advanced formula lifts dirt and grime at a molecular level, simplifying your cleaning routine. If you want to replace multiple cleaning products with one highly effective solution and appreciate a product backed by strong customer support, this is the one. What people say. The product is well made and looks great in the car. Easy to install and fits perfectly. Adds a touch of luxury to the interior. Number 1. Air Jungle's Honey Peach Scent Car Air Freshener Vent Clip. Experience the delightful honey peach scent with our new car air freshener. It's designed to bring a fresh and pleasant aroma to your vehicle. Enjoy continuous fragrance for up to 180 days with this 6-count pack. Each unit provides a lasting scent, ensuring your car stays fresh for months. Crafted with natural essential and fragrance oils, it offers a comfortable and authentic scent experience. It effectively eliminates common odors from food, pets, and smoke. Customize your driving experience with its 3-level scent control. You can easily adjust the fragrance intensity to your preference. The vent clip design attaches securely to most standard car vents, offering simple and convenient use. It's a great accessory for any vehicle. This makes an ideal gift for new car owners, men and women alike. Share the gift of a pleasant-smelling car interior. What we like. If you desire a consistently pleasant aroma in your car without the hassle of frequent replacements, this air freshener is a great option. It effectively eliminates odors and provides a customizable scent experience for up to 180 days. If you're looking for a convenient, long-term solution to keep your car smelling fresh and inviting, this is perfect. What people say. The product is well made and feels durable. Installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. The design complements the car's interior nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.